Today we will learn Venn diagrams of sets. Most of the relationship between sets can be represented by means of diagrams, which are known as Venn diagrams. Venn diagrams are named after the English logician John Venn. These diagrams consist of rectangles and circles. The universal set is represented by a rectangle and its subset by circle. Let U is a universal set of elements 1 to 10 and A is any subset of elements 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. According to the Venn diagram, we can make a rectangle to represent universal set and subset A we can represent with the help of circle. We can represent A union B of two sets by Venn diagram. U is a universal set and represented by rectangle. A and B be any two sets. Then we can find A union B with the help of Venn diagram. Intersection of two sets by Venn diagram. A and B be any two sets and U is representing here rectangle as universal set. Disjoint sets by Venn diagram. We can represent U as a universal set in the form of rectangle. A and B be any two set. We know that according to the definition of disjoint sets, A and B be any two sets are called disjoint if A intersection B equal to 5. Difference of two sets by Venn diagram we can represent here. U is a universal set and represented by rectangle. A and B be any two sets, then A minus B is represented here. Complement of a set by Venn diagram we can represent. This colorful part we can represent as A dash. Draw Venn diagram of A union B dash equal to A dash intersection B dash. This is a De Morgan law property, so we can represent by Venn diagram. U is a universal set and represented by rectangle. A and B be any two circles and representing here sets. Draw the Venn diagram of A intersection B dash equal to A dash union B dash. This is a De Morgan law second property, so we can represent by Venn diagram. U is a rectangle and A and B be any two sets. Draw the Venn diagram of A intersection B union C. We can shade the intersection of A union B union C. A intersection B union C we can shade with the dark part. Draw the Venn diagram. N means number of elements of A union B equal to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. We can represent by diagram this property. You can see here